Hey, what's up YouTube? It's me again, Matt, or Tech On Site of ThePigPC.com. Welcome to the unboxing video of case for iPhone 5s from LabC plus D project. Let's get right into it. So this is the case for iPhone 5 and 5s from LabC plus D project. So let's try to unbox it. Okay, on the box you'll see that there's a sample here on what is the design of the item, and so in here this is the case itself. So I think this is for the button at the middle for the iPhone 5s. And so it's basically a back cover. Alright, so again, this is the iPhone 5s case from LabC plus D project. So it's me again, Matt, or Tech On Site at ThePigPC.com. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you could get updates on videos I'm regularly uploading every week. Thanks. Hey, what's up YouTube? It's me again, Matt, or Tech On Site. I'm an online seller of computer parts and accessories at www.thepigpc.com. You can look for my items by searching my username, Tech On Site. And this is my YouTube channel. I do unboxing videos and tech reviews. So don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel so you could get updates on videos I'm regularly uploading every week. See ya.